Hi, it's Denise with Ladybug Stampin here with another video tutorial for you guys today. And today we're going to be making this adorable card. Oh my gosh, I love this card, you guys. This has got some stamping. We're going to do a little coloring, punching, and even embossing and fussy cutting. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, this card is using the accented blooms. This is a new stamp set in the annual catalog, and it actually coordinates with the punch that we had last year in our this past occasions catalog called Tailor Tag. So we're going to be using that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use this image right here, and I am using our E-block to put it on there, and we are going to use some Versamark. No, sorry. First thing we're going to do, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. We're going to ink this up using our new Gorgeous Grape ink. Y'all, I love this purple. Okay, and we're going to stamp it on our Whisper White piece that we're actually going to see. It's on our card, and I don't want to go down too low, so we're going to stamp it right about there. Oh, isn't that pretty? Okay, now I'm going to clean this, and I'll be right back. I had to clean it off. The reason why is because I do need to put some Versamark on there so that we can emboss on the Gorgeous Grape cardstock. And I just want to make sure I get these pretty good. Get them good inked up, and we're going to play. Oh, before we do that, I always forget my little, even though I have them sitting here, sometimes I forget. Y'all, don't forget your embossing buddy. And so far, out of all the little embossing buddies I've used, that one's the best. It's Stampin' Up, of course. And I'm not saying that just because I sell it, you know, or Stampin' Up sells it. It's because I truly did try other ones. Yeah, didn't work. All right, sorry for that loud noise. Now, we're going to get our white embossing powder. You want the white embossing powder. And we're going to put it on our image here. Sometimes I just want to do that. I'm just going to make sure it's on there really good. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go emboss that, and I'll be right back. We're back. So I love how this turned out. I don't know why, but the white on this Gorgeous Grape just, I don't know, amazes me. Okay, so now we're gonna have to do some fussy cutting, and I am gonna use my paper snips because it's a little bit easier. And I will go ahead and fast forward through this so you guys, you know, so it doesn't take as long. All right. Okay, guys, I said I was going to fast forward through this, and I actually just removed the whole bit because it took forever, and I just didn't want you guys to sit through all that. So I do want to point out something before I quit cutting this one. This is the last one. When you're going around here fussy cutting, make sure you're staying right outside the white outline, and you want to stay as close to it as possible without cutting it off, because you don't want to cut it. You just want to stay as close to that, and that's why it was taking so long, and I didn't just want to fast forward through all that. That would have taken forever. Plus, I don't know how to add music to that, so that really would have been boring. Okay, now I want to point out a couple of things on these up right here, on these two. When I trimmed these, there's some flowers that were right here. You want to trim that, because when we add it to the stamped image, you'll see that this is going to frame around this flower that we did not cut out. Okay. All right, so I'll put this over here. The next thing I'm going to do before I actually put the flowers on is I'm going to take our Granny Apple Green marker, and I'm going to use it to color my stems and my leaves. Okay. And you can still see the even using your marker. Some people are probably going, use your blend. Well, first of all, I don't have my blend, and it would have been better, but I don't have it in this color yet. I haven't ordered it, and the marker works good on this. Okay. Yeah, I think the blend would have been really good too, but this works. And I could have used a different green that I did have, but I just really liked the Granny Apple. That was this, okay? That was the stem there. And And then these two little leaves over here. We're just adding a little bit of color to the leaves. All right, we're done with this. And now all we're going to do is we're going to put some adhesive on the back of these and start attaching these. So I'm just going to use a little bit of Tombow because that way it gives me time to wiggle around it as I need it. In case I put these on wrong. And then we'll put some on here. I'm trying to figure out where the top is at. There it is. Okay. And then this one goes down here. What's this? I don't know what that would, that's not the pansy. This is a pansy, but this one's, I don't know what this is called. I don't know flower names. The reason why I don't know flower names is because I can't grow anything. I got a plant from a coworker. I think it was like, I don't know, my birthday or something. I can't remember, but I killed it. It died. So, well, it didn't really die. It was on its last leg, and I took it to my best friend who can grow anything, and she brought it back to life. So I just left it with her. I felt so bad for that plant. All right, we're going to adhere that just like that. Look at that. It's already coming together. Okay, real quick, we're going to get out our piece of Whisper White, and we're going to get out the hello. I am going to do another hello card because I have a lot of thank you cards, and I don't just have a whole lot of hello. And I need to send some cards. So I'm going to get out the D block, attach this, get our gorgeous grape stamp ink out again, ink up our image. Yeah, I think it's on there. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, that's so gorgeous. That over there. I'll clean those in just a minute. We're going to get our punch out. Taylor tag punch. Watch this not be big enough for me to hold on to. It's not going to be. So I'm going to have to look, you guys. Okay, I'm going to try to punch this as best as I can. Looking upside down. Okay. I don't know why I make those so short on myself. And then I'm going to get out some dimensionals. Dimensionals. Every time I say that word, I think of the set 1970s. I don't know why. Why is that? But it's crazy. I know I'm putting quite a bit on there. It's okay. I have plenty of dimensionals. I love dimensionals. Kind of like I like ribbon. I have to stop myself from using it. All right, and we're going to put this on top here. And I just messed up. Not on the card, but I should have waited to put that on there until I put the Whisper White on top of the Gorgeous Grape. But that's okay. We'll just get out our Tombow. That's a lot, Denise. And attach it to our Gorgeous Grape. Okay. And then I'm going to take my card base, fold it in half. So that, and then get my bone folder out. And attach it. Just put a whole bunch. Okay, that's the open. Make sure we got it on the right side. I did that not too long ago, and thankfully I was able to switch it over. I don't know what I did, but oh, it was like a something on here. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to do the ribbon. You know what though? I think I like it without the ribbon, to tell you the truth. So yeah, I like it without the ribbon. But you can actually do a ribbon. This is a little baker's twine if you want to. You could put it on there, but I kind of like it without the ribbon now that I've done that. So I have one with and one without. Just clean and simple. Denise hardly ever does those. Okay, guys. Well, I appreciate you guys stopping by to view this card today. If you have any questions, please leave a message below. If you want any of the products I've shown today, I will have a link down below. And I also have a link to my new monthly craft kit, guys. Check that out. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate it, and I will see you guys later. Bye.